Viewer subscriber, wagwan. Watch on man, in this one, we have three topics I will touch upon. We have Rygin King attack a bag of things from the media. Plus, we also have Vybz Kartel, yeah man, the DJ health is not so good. Plus, we also have Alkaline appear tribute. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy and I could jump in it.
Vybz Kartel, Rygin King. I don't know what Kartel I deal with. From when I text Kartel and tell him I'm ready, I don't know what I deal with. I deal with everybody except me.
Alright, so I know and remember that. Yeah man, so Rygin King recently went on the media and he talk a bag of things to the fans them and to the haters them. Yeah man, Rygin King I make them know say him not broke. For a youth there in the wheelchair, him have him things. You see me? So if you're a subscriber, I'm gonna play the video and I'm gonna hear what I go on. So relax and get comfortable.
Get your Louis shots with the Amiri top. Catch up with the Prada pop. Brother, I know if you mix designer you. Hey, me I tell you, pot of gravy, pot of sauce. I never come over here so come beg nobody nothing. Telling you that. I first youth. Never ever see a wheelchair man like me. Expensive drip. Let me tell you that. The girl a suck it cocky all when he dead. God boss me head. You know. Telling you that. The ball. Me tell you that. You hear that? Look here. Me dash off one of them a diamond here now, you hear? Ramp with me, you hear? Talk to you. Ramp with me. Sauce, bumbo clot, got ball game you. I'm telling you. Me tell you that. Look here. Talk short. Stars in a blood clot ceiling and stars in a building. Chat to me good. Tell you that. Chat to me good. I'm telling you that. Ramp with me, you don't think me broke. I'm richer than most of them batty boy where I walk here. Fully. Chat to me good. Chat to me nice. And not talk to me like say I'm a size boy. I'm telling you that. Now ball man. Oh, where? Unless me drop off I want to stop you. But suck on the mama. Telling you that. Where? Ball. Ball to who? Not nice. Telling you that. Ramp with me, youth. Expensive drip, expensive whip. Talk to me nice. Now I want to see how my team look. Now I want to see how my car them and my vehicle them look and my house them. Chat to me good. And stop chat to me like me on a size. Telling you that. Size up to me thing, you hear that? And so I'm going to make me tell, hey, youths. Look come over here, man. Hey, to be continue. To be continue. I say me go push out the chair and go wreck the crowd. To be continue. Let me tell you that.
So if you're a subscriber, as you can see, Rygin King attack a bag of things, attack what's on his mind. He might diss up a lot of people, you see me? The entertainer I couldn't know say, oh, he's rich. No matter if he's in a wheelchair, he's richer than the man who walk foot right now. You see me? I don't know if him really show any shades, but him say never beg nobody. Me wonder who him attack right there, so. You see me? But me no want to feel like say the entertainer is not talented. Rygin King is a very talented youth. You see me? So I don't want nobody to talk and I say, yo, Rygin King is not talented and him not all that. Because Rygin King is very talented, as me say. Most of the entertainer song, most of them is not a feature. Most of them will take off and turn a hit is not a feature. Remember, I'm telling you, you can go check the history, check the statistics. You see me? Most of his songs will take off is not a feature. So big up yourself, Rygin King. You see me? I wonder if you throw shades in that though if you're a subscriber. You can make me know nothing. So I'm gonna just leave the topic there right there so for now. But if you don't feel like say him throw any shades at anybody, you can make me know what you think in the comment section. You see me? Yeah man, moving on. So if you're a subscriber, Alkaline show a tribute to the Guyanese fans them. Yeah man. Alkaline show a tribute to some kids that died in a fire. It's a very sad thing. You know say yo, so much kids died, and matter of fact, it doesn't matter how much kids die. It's the fact that kids die. You see me? So as I say, it's a sad thing. It's a sad moment for the Guyanese them. Wish them all the best, and I'm gonna show you what Alkaline did, but also I'm gonna read what happened to the kids. You see me? Even though I'm telling you say how them died in a fire, but I'm gonna actually read the article. I could have a better understanding of what happened. You see me? So just read this. Alright, so this says, According to reports, 18 girls along with a 5-year-old boy were trapped in a dormitory at the Mahdia Secondary School after another student, 14, who was upset that the school official confiscated her phone, set the structure ablaze. It is understood that she intentionally set the fire to an area in the dorm's shared bathroom space. The fire quickly raised the wood, concrete and grill structure, which was closed to prevent the girl from sneaking out. Unfortunately, that made escaping the blaze difficult. So, via subscriber, there you have it. I'm going to play the video with Alkaline, you see me? Yeah man, Alkaline performing. So, just pray what go on. So, I have to say big up to Alkaline for doing something like that, you see me? I know enough artists would just perform and show same time, you see me? Yeah man, so big up to the entertainer for doing something like that. It's a sad news. And yo, I swear, it's a very sad news we actually hear that kids die, you see me? Imagine with their family I go through and things like that. So if you're a subscriber, you can let me know when you think about all of that. Let me know when you think about any other topic I'm touch on, you see me? Yeah man, moving on. So, viewer subscriber, as you can see, Vybz Kartel go through some life-threatening disease. Yeah man, so I'm going to read a little article and make you know what really are going on, you see me? So this says, Isat Buchanan, the lawyer representing dancehall star Vybz Kartel, says the world boss is suffering from an autoimmune disorder known as Graves' disease, which coupled with 2 heart conditions make his present situation life-threatening. So, I don't know if I pronounce that right, autoimmune, whatever. But yeah man, it's life-threatening, and when you hear something like that, I know it's a very serious thing, you see me? We don't know what can happen next with the world boss. So, I hope Vybz Kartel show positive signs of recovery if it's a situation that he can recover from, you see me? Because I don't know if that situation is something you can actually come back from, you see me? So, big up to Vybz Kartel same way. As I say, we don't want for the years and years and nothing bad happen. So, you see me? If you're a subscriber, I don't really know what else to say upon that topic there, you see me? So, you can let me know when you think about any of the topics that I touch upon, you can comment upon them, I'm going to read all of them and reply to them, you see me? Yeah man, so remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel, and don't make me come find you. Yeah man, 4K, I'm out.